Hello everyone, my name is Daquan Ishran and today I am going to do a scenario on an application that allows students to study information by using learning tools and games, which is called Quizlet. Quizlet is available to every level of education, so students can study for quizzes and exams. So my scenario is that I created was if I need to study for a Spanish exam, then I could use Quizlet to help me study, but also have fun while learning the content. Here, and you can create a class is in this area, which I already created and in like a Spanish class already. So I'm gonna click that right now, and within this category, and uh, and there's hold on, there's flashcards, a test, and even like a gravity game. So right now, I'm going to try out the gravity game, which I had created several words and everything, and then I translate them to Spanish. So it's going to time me, and I'm try to put on medium, see what type of words they throw at me. But other than that, but this will help you with everything throughout the whole entire. So I'm gonna wait till I'm wait till this actually falls down and I see what it does. And like when it hits the bottom, basically you cannot like let it hit the bottom at all. And you gotta type the word before it hit the bottom. And basically so it basically corrects you and it tells you to. So like, this is really helpful because it helps students and everything to learn the content. And I'm gonna show it again. And as you see, it says purple, which is a very simple word, but so it tells you what to type in, which is really fun. And then although I typed it in wrong, I messed up a couple words. Then I can catch it right there. So it's really fun. And here goes your scores and everything. So I'm on level 1, got 170. And you gotta catch it before it hits the bottom, which is a very fun scenario. So there you go. And here's Quizlet, and here's my scenario of actual and like an actual practice of Quizlet and everything, and how you can study throughout the whole entire content, and by using this platform to help you study for exams, quizzes, and even tests, and even finals also. So thank you for watching.